Hi friends, today let's do hydroboration oxidation. It is a preparation of an alcohol to alcohol from alkene. It's alkene we are converting into alcohol by following anti-Markovnikov's mechanism. So there is another reaction which we can prepare alcohol from alkene, that is by hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. It follows Markovnikov's mechanism. But today we are going to study by using anti-Markovnikov's mechanism how can we prepare an alcohol from an alkene. So by using a special reagent here that is called a diborane B2H6, which is called a diborane B diborane, and diborane can be written as BH3 twice, two boron atoms and six hydrogen atom. We can write in this way like BH3 twice, and from BH3 we can write one hydrogen in the beginning and then BH2, that two times, so HBH2 two times. This is the best way to write the reaction, to show the reaction HBH2 by using diborane, so that we are able to understand the mechanism easily. So when you add diborane to an alkene, for example if you are adding to propene, CH3, CH double bond CH2, you add diborane like HBH2 twice. It takes place in presence of water as well as H2O2, which is three times, hydrogen peroxide three times, and OH minus. So during this reaction, OH minus and H plus ions are the two ions present in water. As it follows anti-Markovnikov's mechanism, the negative part of the addendum goes to the carbon with more number of hydrogen atom. It means if it is like 1, 2, 3, OH minus is being a negative charge which is going to the carbon number 1 because it has 2 hydrogen atom. And H plus will be moving to carbon number 2 with the less number of hydrogen atom. So we get the product like CH3, CH2, and then CH2OH, propanol. Propanol can be prepared from propene if we follow hydroboration oxidation mechanism. But normally if you are adding by water in presence of an acid, we get propan-1-ol. It follows Markovnikov's mechanism. So today let's do the mechanism of this hydroboration oxidation in detailed way. For that I'm just going to write the mechanism in detail. CH3, CH, double bond CH2 plus HBH2 twice. This is the diborane. So in the first step, HBH2 bond breaks. H is positive and BH2 is negative. And here the negative part is BH2. It will be going to the carbon with the more number of hydrogen atom, which is carbon number 1. So that H plus will be moving into carbon number 2. So we can write the product like CH3, CH2. Why? Because CH with one hydrogen, so CH2, double bond change to single bond, and then CH2 is being added to BH2. Got it? So this is the first step. So out of HBH2 twice, only one HBH2 being added in the first step. So this reaction will keep on continuing. In the second step, another molecule of alkene is going to be added. CH3, CH double bond CH2. Again it is being going to be added. So during this reaction, I will show you how the reaction is taking place. See, in the first product like CH3, CH2, CH2, BH2 can be written as BH single bond hydrogen. Here the bond between BH and H breaks. H becomes positive and BH becomes negative. It means now the negative part is this much. Like CH3, CH2, CH2, BH minus. This is going to be added to the added alkene where the carbon with the more number of hydrogen atom. And this H plus will be added to the carbon with the less number of hydrogen atom. Got it? So in this way, the second step will be proceeding. So we get the product like CH3, CH2, CH2, that is one time, and the added CH3, CH2, CH2 is also having the same alkyl group, propyl group is here. It means here CH3, CH2, CH2, here also CH3, CH2, CH2. It becomes twice. Propyl group two times, and the rest we need to add only BH because H plus already has gone. So BH. This is the second product. Now in the third step. In the third step, one another molecule will be going to be added. CH3, CH, double bond CH2. Again the process will be repeating. H plus will be going to be added to the carbon with the less number of hydrogen atoms, so that this B minus along with the CH3, CH2, CH2 twice will be adding here. It means CH3, CH2, CH2 twice, two times already there, and then again this part changing into CH3, CH2, CH2, because propyl group we are getting two times. So now it becomes total three times CH3, CH2, CH2 thrice with the B. So this is how the alkene is being added. Now finally, this product is being added to 3 moles of H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, hydrolysis in basic medium. So the bond between CH3, CH2, CH2 thrice and B breaks. 3 OH minus ion being added here, and the same 3 OH minus ion will be added to boron atom. So that boron will be changing into BOH thrice, that is orthoboric acid. Plus this OH minus ion will be added to the last carbon, which is CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. It is propanol, and it is thrice, and the added OH also 3 times. We can write 3 molecules of propanol. This is how we are getting propanol from propene by following anti-Markovnikov's rule. This reaction is called a hydroboration oxidation. So this is the detailed mechanism, but in the exam if they ask you to complete the reaction by giving like this, propene plus HBH2, instead of that they can write B2H6 as well, diborane, and over the arrow mark all these reagents can be written, and the products to be filled you write only propanol if it is just for 1 mark, but for 2 marks to write the mechanism in detailed way you have to follow the mechanism in this way. So I hope you understood. Thank you all.